Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is FX Major, your mentor, the only doctor that focuses on changing people's lives and the only trader that pierces through the market. Again guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video and subscribe. Be sure to subscribe, my dear millionaires. The reason being why I'm saying millionaires is because I know that through these strategies which we are giving out, strategies, VIP signals, VVIP signals, lessons, mentorship, you guys are actually going to become millionaires within a few moments time, guys. Within a few moments time, just affirm and believe that you will become a millionaire, guys, because that's our aim. That's our aim, to actually build up beginners, or rather actually a variety of traders, whether you're a beginner, an intermediate, or any type of beginner you are. Our aim is actually to build up you and get to have you know which strategies to use, or which strategies we use personally, and how we actually take our trades in order for you to also have it work for you. Okay, so on today's video I'll be actually and simply analyzing NAS100. Actually, this trade NAS100, I gave it out as a free signal on the free signals group. So if you are part of our free signals group, you would have taken this trade and ate with us. You would have ate this trade with us because it hit all our take profits target. It hit all our take profits target, and most of you showed me your screenshots, or rather your profits, but I couldn't post those profits due to being, doing ups and downs, being busy here and there. But I actually acknowledge that you guys are actually taking trades and milking the market with me, guys. So be sure, if you are new, be sure to subscribe to our free signals channel, and which is actually on Telegram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be part of our trading community, part of our trading family. Okay, without wasting any further time, let me actually show you how I actually took NAS100 and give you a free strategy on how I got to enter my trade. So if you have watched our previous videos, guys, you would have known by now which broker which we are actually using and recommending to you guys. If you don't know which broker we are using and recommending, do be sure to actually look at the description below and click on the link which we have shared on the broker which we are using, and sign up, register, and start trading with us using the same broker which we are using. Okay, so on this trade, I actually saw that we have this type of market movement. We have this here. Let me actually highlight it like this so you can actually see. I love this family, guys. The family that we are having and building is a wonderful family, because I fully trust and believe that each and everyone here on our YouTube channel, who's following us on Instagram, Facebook, and also on our free channel Signal Scope, or our VIP and VVIPs, you guys will be making much more. This is the actual community which I'm trying to build, a community whereby signals are being shared, strategies are being shared, millionaires are being brought up. You see, this is the community I'm actually trying to build, because most traders won't actually try to help you in terms of growing, whether psychologically, whether trading, on trading, or anything regarding forex. Most traders will want to just give you signals. Those signals, 1 to 2 signals, or 1 to 4 signals a day, or a week, or even a month, to actually help you make money. Let's say you have no money to actually subscribe to their signals. How are you going to actually start making money if you don't have money to start being a part of their VIP groups? How are you going to make money? So with us, we are trying to actually build, or rather grow, such people in terms of having to grow or make their own money in order for them to start trading profitably. Do you understand me? We're trying to actually grow traders or rather beginners or any type of trader into starting to make their own money through our strategies. Hence why we actually and mostly recommend that you guys share our videos, share our videos to as many people as possible, to as far as possible, to actually help those who are actually trying to get funds. With just as little as $50, you can make tons of money using our strategies, which is what we are actually aiming for. And again, we're currently running a giveaway special offer on our VIP signals group, which is currently on a low giveaway special offer. So be sure to join and be part of our signals group, VIP signals group, whereby I'll be sharing strategies, a lot of strategies, probably every day. I'll be sharing strategies, lifetime mentorship, which is part of the whole program, lifetime mentorship, 24-hour service. It's a lot, guys, it's a lot. So be sure to check our poster and be part. Okay, so on NAS100, I can see that we actually had a lower low, lower high, and a lower high. So actually having two lower lows here, and a lower high and a lower high, which is two of each. So seeing that we have two of each, I can actually put a divider here. So this divider actually shows us that the market had a change of market structure, because at this point here, the market wanted to actually go to the upside. It decided to have its own change of structure, hence why it went to the downside, and then we had our low. It went up, it decided to change the market structure to go back to the upside, but it reversed at this point here, which created our low, our other low. Then it broke our structure, hence why we're now having a support on this structure before going to the upside. Then the market went to the upside, came down, went to the upside, came down, and went to the upside. So this is actually a divider to show where the market changed its structure. Okay, so at this point here, we had a low. Then the market broke that structure, and we're now having a high here. Okay, so seeing that we're having high, our lows and lows, we are actually going to focus on them just now before we focus on our highs. Okay, so now we have this here. Okay, so we have this points here, which indicates to us where the market decided to reverse or rather change direction. Okay, so I think we took a NAS100 trade here. I'm not quite sure because I'm actually seeing much movement here. I think we actually took our second NAS100 trade here, and it took our first trade. It was, I think, round about here. I think here. Okay, so on these points here, we took our first buy trade here. We actually closed here, I think. You see, guys, the same movement which we have here is most or rather similar to the movement we had on gold. Okay, that's when I took my sell. Then we closed here, which is this with the signal I actually sent on the free signals group. This is actually simple, guys. This one is actually much more simpler than the gold trade. Okay, seeing that we have this type of movement here, we can actually see that we had this here before going to the downside to retest, shoot to the upside, come back here, shoot to the upside before coming back, and another shoot to the upside. Okay, so no guys, the first trade which we took was this here. not this one, not this one. This was something else. We actually took this one, I think. I'll send a screenshot of it right now, or post it to actually show you that we actually took this trade. Okay, so this strategy is called the Elliott wave strategy, which we have the A, B, C, D's, and E. So this is the Elliott wave strategy, which helps in determining your major levels, your low, and high levels. Okay, so the reason being why I'm so excited, guys, is that there have been a lot of people, or rather a lot of my students, showing me their withdrawals, guys. That's why I'm so excited. A lot of my students have been showing me their withdrawals, showing me that they're now making money, guys, using my strategy while they're trading by themselves. So that actually makes me feel much more enlightened, guys, because I get to see and notice that there are certain people who are actually participating in my videos, in my signals, in my lessons, mentorship. There are people who are actually participating in my things, guys, which makes me much more happy in knowing that I actually am helping thousands and thousands of people. Well, some of the people won't actually tell me that, Major, you are actually helping me in terms of growing my account, or rather you have helped me in this type of way, psychologically, mentally, strategically, or any other ways. Obviously, some people won't actually come to you and tell you because they want to be out there and be like, no, I taught myself how to trade, I taught myself how to actually make money, which is not the case. But however, if that's working for them, it's fine. But deep down they know that I actually helped them. I actually helped them in order for them to actually start being the person or the people they are currently, or rather now. That's my joy, guys. That's my joy. That's why I get so joyful each time, and that's why I get to actually start making, or rather make, giveaway special offers almost each and every now and then, because I get such people telling me, or rather motivating me. Actually, I also do get motivated by people telling me that, Major, you are helping me so much. You are helping me in terms of growing my account. I can now start feeding my family. I can now start making my own money. I can now start doing things with my money which I've made from Forex, with the things that I could not do when I started knowing you. So this is my joy, actually, helping people. So if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe, guys. Okay, so as you can see here, we can actually see clear sales and buys, guys. This was our first sell from here, sell. Here we had a buy, a sell, buy. This is a clear movement, guys. A clear movement. I guess that's the other reason why we also actually got this to take this trade, because I saw this reversal here, or rather a change of market structure before going to the downside. Then came here, it changed direction before actually going to the upside. That's where we saw our change of market structure, and then we took our trade. Then it came here before going to the upside. As you can see, guys, this is a clear move, guys. For those who are using, or rather those who want to learn SMC, this is part of SMC. This is actually SMC itself. This is SMC, Smart Money Concept itself. Well, this is similar to SMC because this is our strategy, which is FX Major strategy. With SMC, I'm not sure, but it's similar to this because the way our strategies look, they mostly look like other strategies, or rather, some of them look like other strategies, like this one. It looks like SMC, Smart Money Concept, which is on its own is not a strategy, guys. On its own is not a strategy. Is actually a basic trading fundamental, or rather basic trading way, just like trend lines. The moment you get a strategy, it's a moment you know where to take trades, or where to enter trades. That's when we call that a strategy. Knowing where to enter trades having confirmations from that level, having a lot of things, guys. That's where we can say it's a strategy. But with SMC, I don't think it's a strategy on its own, but rather a basic fundamental on applying it to a trading platform and using it to your advantage, which is most traders use, or rather most traders who use SMC, they also have their strategy on the side to help them as a confirmation for their strategy, or rather for their trade. So this is our strategy.